Hi, this is Dr. Bob with Carolina Value Pet Care. Thanks for joining us today. We've seen an awful lot of puppies, especially since what we call pandemic puppies, since the pandemic broke out some months ago. Consequently, a lot of people have gotten dogs, particularly puppies, and we want to make sure those puppies are properly immunized or protected against different viruses. One of those viruses is called Parvovirus. Parvovirus is a highly contagious and life-threatening disease in puppies. Not in cats, just in dogs. A couple of considerations about the parvo. It is passed primarily through the feces, through bowel movements. Now, when these puppies get the parvo, it affects three different areas of the body. It affects primarily the immune system. It essentially wipes out their self-defense system. Second, it'll also attack the intestinal tract. So these puppies are vomiting, they have diarrhea, in most cases bloody diarrhea. And unfortunately, they're not able to keep any liquids down. They're blowing out a lot of fluid. So these puppies get dehydrated very quickly. And in some cases, there is a strain of parvo that can also affect the heart. Now, with the virus, since it is so highly contagious, the other frustrating thing about the virus is that it does live outside in the environment for many months at a time. We know for a fact it can last for at least a couple of years outdoors. That means dog parks or areas where there's a lot of dogs playing around. I would definitely never take a puppy out to those areas until they've gone through the complete protocol for the vaccines to make sure they're going to be adequately protected. It is a treatable disease. Unfortunately, we still lose a lot of these puppies once they get the disease. All we can do is try to treat the symptoms. There is no specific treatment for parvo. We're just trying to help with the dehydration, what we call secondary infections, and just trying to slow down all the vomiting so they can try to keep some calories in. Again, it is so easy to protect these puppies. They do get a series. We start at 6 weeks of age, we go to 16 weeks of age, and then we do continue with an annual booster for life. Hopefully that answers your questions about parvo, but the takeaway, make sure you get your puppies vaccinated, and it does involve a series of vaccines for appropriate protection. Thanks for joining us today. We hope to see you soon. For our schedule, go to our website, CarolinaValuePetCare.com. Thanks.